All right, we had a question. The question was, what can I do if my horse rushes in the canter? So the first thing is get off the saddle, go back to the ground. So here we have Bianca and Sugar is a little bit rushy right now. So Bianca, what I want you to do is bring her all the way back to a trot. She's going to start off now with our lunging mastery exercise. Good, what we focus on is having the horse go through multiple transitions: the walk, the trot, the canter. Horses rush when they are thinking about the future, thinking about getting away, when they are anxious. So we want to redirect those thoughts into them focusing on us on the next cue. So what we'll do is we'll have the horse in a trot, and then we're going to pick it up into the canter. She's going to give her a little kiss, put her into the canter, and then not long after, I want you to bring her back to a trot again. Use our slow down cue. Bring her all the way back to a trot. I want you to get a little bit closer to you. Remember, the longer she's away from you on that lead, the more disconnected she'll feel. You can see she's struggling a little bit to slow down. Get it even more close. If your horse really struggles, bring them a little bit closer to you. I want you to bump on that nose a little bit there. And if it's happening, what's happening right now, she's not slowing down, what I want you to do is step in front of that drive line, do our shoulders away exercise in the lunging, get her to disengage in 4, and that'll cause her to naturally slow down. There, she's in a trot right now, and I want you to change her again, to put her back into the direction that she was traveling. And just keep her in the trot there. Good. So we went from the trot to the canter. Now I want you to take her from the trot to the walk. So bring her all the way back to a walk now. There, that's good. Lovely. Keep her walking. If she starts trotting, give her the cue to slow down again. If she continues trotting, I want you to change our direction 2 times again. There, that's good. That's good. All right, so that's the first thing that your horse needs to be able to do. It needs to be able to go from that standstill to the walk, to the trot, to the canter, back to the trot, back to the walk. If your horse can't do that, don't expect him to stay calm in that canter under saddle. The next thing that we can do, let's say she's really getting all of that and she's still rushing in the canter. All right, Bianca, I want you to put her into the canter. Sugar isn't rushing as much right now. She's already settled down a little bit, but she used to really rush a lot. What I want you to do, if they rush, maybe they canter nice and relaxed for a few strides and then they start rushing. What I want you to do is step in front, change the direction. She's going to yield those shoulders and she's going to do it twice. Do it again. And we do it twice because we want our horse to continue in the same direction of travel. And then put her back into the canter again. What this will start doing is the horse will feel like they want to get away, and then their thoughts will be redirected in the opposite direction and then back into the direction that they were traveling. And over time, she will learn that it doesn't help to rush, because every time I rush, I end up going in the opposite direction and then back in the direction that I wanted. So you keep doing this for a few days and they'll start settling in that canter. But it's very important to give them enough time in the canter. A lot of people, they don't spend enough time having that horse canter around, where that horse just needs a lot of reps. You can't expect your horse to be carrying you confidently without rushing in the canter under saddle if they can't do that on the ground. So it really starts on the ground, and over time they'll progress. If this helps, hit the like button, and if you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section. We might do a video segment on it. You can also check out our website and subscribe to our mailing list. Our full video course will be launching later this year. This is just a little snippet of that. And then we're going to be doing a video about the person who's asking about how can they get better balance. We'll do a video on that next up. Smith Horsemanship, empowering horse trainers everywhere.